So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to design the Pepsi logo. Let's see if we're able to make Pepsi logo and one other logo. Now let me design the Pepsi logo so you know how the logo is being designed. First of all, what you have to do is just pick your ellipse tool, and the shortcut for the ellipse tool is F7. So once you hit the F7 on your keyboard, you activate the ellipse tool. You select the ellipse tool. So this is it. To draw the ellipse tool, all you have to do first is to um, drag and draw. But we don't want this shape. We don't want this shape because the Pepsi logo has a perfect uh, cycle. So how do we achieve that? First of all, we'll click to achieve the perfect cycle. All we have to do is to click on our control and drag it down like this. As you can see, it is perfectly round, as you can see. After that, you use your P key to take it to the center. Just hit the P key, and this ellipse will be taken to the center directly. So let me reduce the cycle a bit. Now I have something like this. At this point, all I have to do is to draw a line. A line. So I'll pick line tool. I'll just have to select either the bezier tool or the pen tool, one of them. So I love using the bezier tool. So I'll just click on the bezier tool. Then from this point here, I'll select, I'll select, sorry, I'll just click and release. Then I'll move my cursor to this point here, and I'll hold down my control. I think my control here, just to have a straight line. Then I'll select again, I'll click again once. Now I have this. Now I need to curve these lines. I need to curve this line. I need to add curves to this line. All I have to do is come to this place and click on my shape tool. After clicking on my shape tool, I'll right click on the line here, then click on to curve. Now I will have to drag this particular part here downwards a bit and drag these parts upward a bit. Now I have something like this. As you can see, we are gradually getting the Pepsi logo. So now I have this shape drawn. All I have to do right now is to drag it upwards a bit. I think this point here is okay. Now I have to duplicate. How do I duplicate? I'll just simply drag and hold. That is, click on the line, drag it, hold it, then click on my control. I just need them to be on the same position. You understand? I just need it to be on the same position. So all I have to do right now is to click on my control, drag it down a bit, and hold my yeah. Then I'll use my right click. I'll use my right click. Once I click on my right click, it will be duplicated. As you can see, I now have a replica of that first line. I now have a replica of that first line. If you can see, there's plus on this my cursor here. It means it has been duplicated, right? So I have this here now. Now I have two lines here. So all I have to do right now is to come to my smart field tool, click on my smart field tool, click on this empty space here, do the same thing here also. After getting this result, all I have to do right now is to delete these lines. I don't need them any longer. I don't need them any longer. So I'll have to add red to this part here and add blue here. I now have a Pepsi logo. I now have a Pepsi logo. So that's just how to draw a Pepsi logo. Now, if you notice this line, if you notice, we have some black lines around it here like this. We don't need it. It makes the work kind of irritating somehow. So makes it look dirty. So all I have to do right now is to delete the line. I don't need it. The lines, I don't need it. I'll have to highlight everything here and click on right click on this particular. I have to right click, or I'll just come to, yes, I'll just have to right click here and remove the lines. As you can see, there's no line. here. The line has been removed. So to just give it some extra design, which is not really necessary, let me just add that. I have to create a cycle here like this, an ellipse. Then I'll click on my P to take it to the center. Now let me make that line bold a bit. I have this. I can decide to give it any color I like, but I think this is okay. So see you in the next video.